Hello everyone in the state of Andhra Pradesh, dear teachers and students community. Welcome back to our exclusively educationally informative videos, and in this short video we will be exploring and explaining how to access summary videos of our current textbooks of AP government. So ఈ రోజు వీడియోలో మనము లీప్ యాప్లో వచ్చినటువంటి కొత్త అప్డేట్లో టీచర్ రిసోర్స్ అనే కాలంలో ట్యాబ్లో మనకి ఏపీ ఈ పాఠశాల దాని కింద సమ్మరీ వీడియోస్ అనే ట్యాబ్ని యాక్సెస్ చేసి అందులో ప్రీలోడెడ్ వీడియోస్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ క్లాస్ 7 టు క్లాస్ 10 అట్ ద మూమెంట్ ఎలా యాక్సెస్ చేయాలనేది మనం తెలుసుకోబోతున్నాం. సో నంబర్ 1, లెట్ us లుక్ అట్ ది స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ ప్రాసెస్ హియర్. ప్లీజ్ గో టు టీచర్ and teacher resources, and from where we can see the tab summary videos, and please go to playlist and access all the educationally informative videos that were uploaded in our exclusive English and educational updates. Now let us look at the step by step process for the accessing of the summary videos. Number 1, click on teacher resource, click on summary videos, then go to click on view all, select class, select the class, choose the subject, and after this I will be explaining the live demonstrations. Please have a little patience. Then select chapter, topic, and click on proceed. So you will find summary videos, then we can play the video, and after playing the video we can ask our dear students to watch carefully and respond to the questions, and even note down the description of the content explained in the video. So we can also show this app information through our IFP by connecting our respective phones through eShare app and screencasting and TV mirror options. So for more information and exclusive spoken English and vocabulary improvement, please do follow our videos. Now let's get into the live demonstration of the video purpose, right? So click on teacher resources, then click on summary videos. It will take a little time to get downloaded the or to land the required information of the Leap app content because it is a live access. So once it shows the Leap app information here, search video, then select classes. So click on view all. So for time being we have got the information and videos of class 7 and up to class 10. So click on class 7, then click on OK. Then we can see English, mathematics, biology, and social studies, and you can click on view all. So we can see four subjects videos are available. Click on English for the time being, and here we can see the select chapter name, and once you click in this you can see the topic available, informative video available on the selected topic. So now let us see a sample video. Click on proceed. So we have selected the topic derivational word forms, prefixes and suffixes. Very important topic and easily explained video. So if you click on this play button, it will take us to the entire. So it will ask already start over, resume. So let us resume means restart from
The
where.
meaning of the root word can be very different from the meaning of the word that will be formed with the prefix. We know that the word
So it is a little time
healthy
taking.
means
Once you
something that is
completely
good for our health.
see this
But the
red
word
button up to this,
unhealthy,
then we
which
can smoothly play the video.
formed by
So
adding
this
the
is a sample example. Likewise, you can select mathematics, biology, social studies for all classes. So from class 7 to class 10. So let us explore class 10 for the second demonstration. Click on mathematics. You can see real numbers, polynomials for time being. So all these videos are dynamic in nature. They get changed, they get added from time to time as per the academic calendar syllabus contents. So all subjects are available, and hope it will be more useful and beneficial for upcoming generation of students. from this year onwards. So next example is class 8. Click on social studies. Then available chapters are resources, how, when and where. These are the available topics. And biology, fire and friend and foe. Physics, force and pressure. And now let us see class 9. Class 10, we can see chemistry videos here, chemical reactions and equations. See, under this there are subtopics. You can choose any one which you are interested in and click on proceed to access the video content. So very useful summary videos, and our government of AP has made it compulsory to watch by the teachers and students to have a crystal clarity in understanding of the animated and supporting video content apart from our regular teaching learning process. So with this we conclude today's video. Wish you all a very happy morning once again. Do take care and do share this information with your friends and teachers. Have a great day. Do take care. Jai Hind.